Hello friends, 'tis the season for all things peppermint candy, also known as candy cane. I've been super busy making my own candy cane scented soaps and bath bombs and thought, hey, you guys could definitely use a video on how to make your own candy cane bath bombs. These are the perfect balance of vanilla sweet and fresh mint, so stay tuned because I give you my personal blend on how I achieve that. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, which is all about my soap and bath bomb business. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. And now without further ado, let's get right into it.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
When you think of candy canes, they're typically white and pink, or white and red, so I decided to make this bath bomb a white bath bomb with reddish pink swirls. Here is an awesome tip for making smooth bath bombs. I always add a few grams of water to the baking soda before adding anything else. If the bath bomb is a certain color, I'll take this opportunity to dilute the dye in this water. But even if the main color is white, like it is for these candy cane bath bombs, I still add this water. I don't know why, I'm not sure about the science behind it, but doing this has always resulted in a smoother bath bomb. Now I have this baking soda with a few grams of water added, mixing on the lowest setting in my KitchenAid mixer. I don't stop this mixing until after I've added my citric acid, so it mixes for quite a while. I think another key element to beautifully smooth bath bombs is equipment that allows all ingredients to blend and incorporate thoroughly. So a KitchenAid mixer is definitely a great investment if you are making bath bombs for a living. The next step is to measure and combine all my wet ingredients. The reason we do this now is because we want to give the wet ingredients a chance to completely incorporate with the baking soda before we add the citric acid. And now, my secret blend. If you follow my videos, you saw me haul Vanilla Bean Noel fragrance oil from Windy Point Soap Supplies. To get my candy cane blend, I simply add equal parts of this with peppermint essential oil, and the result is the perfect candy cane fragrance that I love. The last ingredient I always add is the citric acid. Now that the bath bomb mix has been blending this entire time, I'm confident I can add my citric acid to this mix without fear of it reacting. I don't use the traditional 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid because I prefer a fizzier bath bomb. You'll find the more you make bath bombs, the more you'll feel confident with playing with ratios to achieve specific outcomes. Now I'm splitting my mix so that I can color one half of the mix the pinky red color I talked about. This first half that I'm leaving in my mixer bowl is going to be the white half. I add a few sprays of water to help bind the ingredients. If I have the humidity at a steady 40%, I only need to add a few sprays. I'm emptying the white half into another bowl and setting this aside. Now I'm going to color the other half with a blend of pink and red water-soluble dyes. I get all of my bath bomb dyes from fizzfairy.ca, and I list a lot of my suppliers in addition to them in the description below if you'd like to grab some dyes for yourself. I love how vibrant they make my bath bombs, so I definitely recommend. My candy cane bath bombs will contain a secret blue and red color on the inside. For those asking, and I get this question a lot, my embed mix is equal parts baking soda and citric acid with bath bomb dye and water added. It's so easy. I make a big batch of this embed powder and then just dry it. I prefer embed powder over embed cubes because it's just so much easier to make and it lasts me so much longer. For these bath bombs, I'm using a fun swirling technique. Basically, I add a little bit of each color into my mold and then use a metal skewer to toss up and mix the two colors together. It might take a bit of practice, but it's worth it to try and perfect because the end result is pretty cool. Now, a tip for adding embed powder: do not make a horizontal coating or layer of the powder across the bath bomb mix. Remember that the embed powder is dry, so you'll find that the two halves of the fresh bath bomb mix won't adhere to one another if there's a uniform layer of embed powder between them. I try to prevent this by making a bit of a trench that's vertical into the bath bomb mix that I put the powder into. I'm hoping I'm making sense here. So you can see what that swirling technique looks like, kind of like a cool swirly egg, or what are those candy things? Gobstoppers? No, not gobstoppers. Jawbreakers? It looks like a giant jawbreaker. I really like this technique a lot. Now here's that swirling technique from another angle. Just simply add a bit of each color into the mold and take your swirly tool and really get in there. Then make a bit of a trench or chasm or canyon, whatever word you want to use, and put your embed powder in there. Now, top off your mold by adding the two colors intermittently. Notice I'm not patting down my mix at all. I'm just kind of letting it fill up and do its own thing and making a bit of a bath bomb mix hill on top. I do this so that when the press comes down, there's enough mix on the top of the bath bomb so that it makes a hard enough surface.
Like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be.
And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you. Please give a thumbs up if you did. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out. For those already subscribed, thank you so much. You are very, very appreciated. There's almost 2,000 of you, so that's amazing. Thanks so much for all of your support. Thanks for choosing to follow me on my journey, and as always, keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays! Bye!